Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play OSU on Android. First, you will need to download the official OSU Droid application. This is the primary way to experience OSU on your mobile device. Make sure to get it from the dedicated OSU Droid website to ensure you have the correct and most up-to-date version. Once downloaded, simply install the application, which typically takes less than 1 minute. You are now ready for the next step. Now that you have the OSU Droid app, the next crucial step is adding beat maps. You can find thousands of beat maps on the official OSU website. Simply search for your favorite songs and download the OS files. Once downloaded, move these files into the Songs folder located within your OSU Droid application directory. The app will automatically detect and process them, usually within a few seconds, making them ready for play. Playing OSU on Android involves 3 main elements. You will tap on hit circles as the approach circle shrinks to meet them, aiming for perfect timing. For sliders, you drag your finger along the path, ensuring you stay within the track. Finally, for spinners, you rapidly rotate your finger on the screen to fill the meter. Mastering these 3 actions is key to achieving high scores and enjoying the rhythm-based gameplay. To improve your OSU skills, start with beat maps rated at 1 or 2 stars. Consistent practice, even for short periods like 15 minutes each day, will significantly enhance your reaction time and accuracy. Experiment with different finger positions and sensitivity settings to find what feels most comfortable for you. Remember, patience and persistence are vital for progressing through more challenging beat maps and achieving higher ranks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.